Good morning from the Randy Baum household. I'm starting my day off with some morning rounds. They are like the best thing ever. I know I said I'm going zero waste, you guys, but I still have a lot of stuff in my house, so I gotta use those things up first. But anyways, marinated peanut butter is bae, and so I put that on some morning rounds with some bananas, because, you know, bananas are fire, okay? Don't get it twisted. Alright, so now I'm just sitting down in my normal spot where I catch up on news and watch the Golden Girls. This is just a typical weekend for me, and this weekend I didn't really feel the greatest. And yes, there's a banana peel on my couch. Don't judge my life. Bam! Fast forward to lunchtime. Well, lunchtime for my kids, not really lunchtime for me. But I made them some vegan grilled cheese with some chow cheese from Field Roast. And, you know, I'm a good mom, because good moms make grilled cheese. Duh. Oh, Health-Ade Kombucha. Best flavor ever. One more time, you know. Alright, so I burnt that grilled cheese, but let's see if my child will be grateful. Will she be grateful? Will she be grateful? We got a smile, yes! Okay, now Lizzie's, I learned from my mistakes, and I made her grilled cheese that wasn't as burnt, and she was also happy. Now it's my turn. I'm kind of obsessed with potato wedges, and I make them on an obnoxiously regular basis, and this is kind of how I do it. So I have some potatoes. I tried the snap thing, but, you know, not quick enough. So there's my cut up potatoes. Kombucha break. It's delicious, you guys. Okay, back to fries. Now I got my 21 seasoning salute, because it's delicious. And then I have my sauce ranch, which is also vegan, by the way. Oh, way too much. It's okay, I'm going to roll with it. And then my pink Himalayan salt shaker that I've been using for years. Fast forward to put them on the silicone baking mat. Link for this baking mat will be in the description down below. Not because I'm sponsored, but because it's just fucking awesome. You guys, 35 minutes is a long time to wait for potatoes. Let me fill up my water, because what I'm about to do is going to tire me out. Bam! So I have a Bissell Crosswave. I spent a lot of money on it, but when I tell y'all, when you have wood floors, pets, and children who constantly leave crumbs, this is exactly what you need in your life. This was worth every penny, and it really helped me clean up my floor. But now I'm tired, so I definitely need to drink some water, because if I don't drink water, I'm gonna die. You guys, water is bae, water is life, and you need it. Okay, now put the Bissell Crosswave away. I can finally bring my dog Jackson back inside, which I'm sure he's been patiently waiting to come back in the house. Look at my sweet rescue baby. I love him so much. Jackson is bae. Everything is bae. But he's back in the house. Now he just wants my love. But I'm focused on potatoes. Look at that beautiful potato wedge footage right there. Nice, crispy, delicious. Pan over to the bowl. Ha! So I like guac and taco sauce. I kind of came up with this on the fly because I almost always eat guac with my potato wedges. But this is like my new invention that has literally taken over my life. And that organic taco sauce from Trader Joe's is amazing. So again, back to my favorite spot. Trying to fill my life up. I'm like not feeling well still. So I definitely want to eat something that's going to fill me up but not be like too heavy. And of course, here comes my child, because if you are a parent, you know that kids love to mooch. But I don't mind sharing guac and potatoes with my babies because, you know, they deserve. Hey, Carla. After I was done being mooched off of, I decided to watch a documentary, look on my phone a little bit because, you know, it's 2018 and that's what we do. Then all of a sudden, I realized something. The TV was watching me. I kind of wake up a little afraid, decide to get up and go take a nap because, you know, nap is bad. Look at my bed and my satin pillowcase. Gotta protect these curls. Some eucalyptus pillow spray is life. More hydration. Hydration is key. Bam. Into my bed in my Miguel Skywalker tee. And I'm passing out. See y'all later. Boop. Nap time's over. And I feel worse. I actually feel so bad that I decided to text my friend and let her know how trash I'm feeling, and she was so kind to pick up my babies. So the rest of this video is going to take place at night. Bam! Making some tea in the tea kettle. So the tea I have, oh, I'm clumsy. really clumsy. It's Echinacea Plus with elderberry, which is good for your immune system. And I let that steep by covering it with an oven mitt. It just keeps all the steam in. I'm worn out, you guys. I'm really sick. I'm gonna hydrate again. A little bit of agave in the tea just to add a little bit of flavor. Oops, a little too much. Gonna have to stir that up. So this is the moment where I knew I had to brace myself. And the tea burnt the hell out of my mouth. My God. It was delicious though. So now I'm just gonna make a quick pasta dish with some chickpea pasta. Again, I have things in my house I need to get rid of. Just with some spinach, diced tomatoes, a little bit of vegan cream cheese to make the sauce a little bit more creamy. And then I put my homemade vegan parm. I just use 4 ingredients. If you want a recipe, let a girl know in the comments. And then I take it to the table. The one in my, again, favorite spot. And I'm about to black out the way this video is, you guys. Bye.